As you can see, the names in column B is not in a uniform and proper way. Let us see how we can arrange these. We will use the function upper to convert all the characters to uppercase. We will use the function lower to convert the characters to lowercase. We will use the function proper to convert only the first character of each word into uppercase. See, this is that simple. Now we will learn how to create drop-down menu. Suppose column B contains the name of sales personnel and we are required to assign zone against each personnel. We are first required to create the list for drop-down. Now we are required to use the data validation option. Check the screen carefully to see how it is done. Hopefully you understood how it is done. If you have any difficulties, you can rewind and check once again. See, you can only select from the list in the drop-down. The cells will not allow any other inputs. I hope this video is helpful and informative. Like and subscribe, and get some amazing videos on Excel.